In this session, we're going to have a look at how you can follow around your mouse and send the images around your mouse up to the cloud using ScreenHaven. So let me open up ScreenHaven here, and I'll go to Publish, and then we can close down the subscribe window. We don't need that open. And I'll come in here, I'll switch on any of them, that's fine. Come into Shared, and this is where we can see the different things that we can share up to the cloud. We've already seen how we can share the whole screen, a portion of the screen. The next item down is follow the mouse. Now, we may well be fine sharing portions of our screen, as we've seen before, but if we find that look, it's not a problem if people see our whole screen. If people see notes, or if they see what we're working on in other areas, it could be they're just doing technical support for us and they just want to see roughly what's on the screen. They don't need the whole screen to go up. Just as you move your mouse around, that the person viewing may want to periodically see what it is that you're working on. So let me close these down again and come up here and change it to follow the mouse. Now what we can now choose, as you move your mouse around, you can see in the preview down below that it's following us around. We can choose how many pixels we want to see around the mouse. Could be that we only want to see the 10 pixels or so around, all the way up to 1,000 pixels, which is a large portion of the screen. Now you can see that as I get closer to the edge of the screen, that it shows a blank area around. That information is not actually going to be visible. And you can just send up the bit that you want. I would suggest you keep it probably around 500. It shows a good proportion of the screen that people can see. They can see where your menu options and things are going, that sort of stuff, and is useful enough. So now that that's running, let me just shrink that down and bring these other these windows back. In fact, I'll bring that one down below. And so as I move my mouse around, you can see that the area that it's showing is in a square around the mouse itself. If it's 500 pixels wide and 500 pixels high, that'll actually be 250 by 250 pixels up and down, left and right around the mouse as I'm moving it around. So that allows us to, if I shrink this down, to continue working like normal without ScreenHaven taking up any obvious space at all. Still, every 15 seconds it's going to take a snapshot and send it up, but what it means is that people over the phone can direct me to move the mouse in particular areas, and they can see what's happening up on my screen and get a record of it. Okay, I hope you find that useful, how to track the mouse in ScreenHaven. Thank you and goodbye.